Stay tuned for my review of the new hemp seed oil shampoo and conditioner bar from As I Am. So the As I Am hemp seed oil shampoo bar is made with hemp seed oil and ceramides. It is a 3.5 ounce bar. This hemp seed oil infused shampoo bar moisturizes and cleanses your hair. It's crafted with fiber reinforcing ceramides that strengthens the hair and restores moisture to the scalp. It improves detangling, lathers into a creamy rich texture. It contains no soap, no sulfates, no harsh chemicals, no plastic, and pairs perfectly with the As I Am conditioner bar. So the directions say to wet the As I Am shampoo bar with water and apply while in the shower to soaked hair. Slide the bar several times along the length of the hair, lather and gently massage the scalp with fingertips as you would conventional shampoo. Rinse and follow with the As I Am conditioner bar and the As I Am leave-in conditioner bar. So my thoughts on the shampoo bar are that it gave an immediate lather, which I was definitely surprised by. Absolutely loved using this shampoo bar. It definitely got the job done. My hair felt clean and it was not stripped of any moisture. So the As I Am hemp seed oil conditioner bar is also made with hemp seed oil and ceramides, and it is also a 3.5 ounce conditioner bar. This hemp seed oil infused conditioner bar is designed to moisturize and detangle the hair fibers. It's moisturizing blend of hemp seed oil and fiber reinforcing ceramides to strengthen the hair. It pairs perfectly with the As I Am shampoo bar. It contains no harsh chemicals, no sulfates, and no plastic. The directions say to wet the As I Am conditioner bar with water and apply while in the shower to soaked hair. Section by section, slide the bar several times along the length of the hair, detangle with a wide tooth comb, rinse and follow with the As I Am leave-in conditioner bar. Now I have tried a shampoo bar before, but I've never tried a conditioner bar, and I was definitely intrigued to try this conditioner bar. And it definitely did the job, had a ton of slip, dropped it there. The conditioner bar had a ton of slip. It was so easy to detangle. My hair felt amazing. So right here, I'm just taking my twist down so that I can rinse the conditioner out. And if you can see the look on my face, this conditioner bar left my curls popping. If you have not tried this shampoo and conditioner bar from As I Am, I highly recommend it. They also have a leave-in conditioner bar and a co-wash bar. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.